and welcome to the third video in our Learning Python series. Today in this video we're going to be covering math. If you do enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more content, and be sure to stick to the end of the video to fully master math in Python. Okay, and also in this video we're going to be using variables and print statements, and if you do not know how to do that, please refer back to our previous videos because you will need to know this for this video. So let's first make a variable. Let's call it math, and let's set it to 2. And let's create another variable. Let's call it math1, and let's set that to 3. Let's print math plus math underscore 1, and we can see that Python prints 5. So just like in everyday life, there is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Python does all of these for us. So addition is represented by a plus sign, as we can see here. Subtraction is a minus sign. Multiplication is an asterisk. And division is a slash. So let's set these to 1 and 1. That will update the variables, and we get 2. Let's try subtraction. 1 minus 1 equals 0, which is correct. Multiplication, 1 times 1, which is 1, which is correct. We can even change this to 2, 4, 4, 4. And we have that. And if you're not impressed yet with Python's math skills, we can do this, and Python will print a really large number out. And finally we have division, and there's your answer. So Python is a really good calculator. It does simple math very well. So as we just showed, we went through the 4 different signs: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and Python gave the correct answers. So I'm sure all of you watching this video knows what PEMDAS is. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction is the order of operations. Python does follow these operations. So let's just delete these variables. Let's do 2 plus 2 times 3. So everyone watching at home, please try and figure this out for yourself. And the answer is 8. The reason for that is we're using PEMDAS, so 2 times 3 is 6, which comes first. Then you add the 2, which is 8. And let's try another thing just to test Python's PEMDAS ability. And now we have 12 because they're doing 2 times 2 first, which is 4, times 3, which is 12. So Python follows order of operations. Okay, so let's try and do some negative numbers. What if we do 1 minus 2? You know the answer is -1, and Python does negative numbers too. Now what if we do imaginary numbers? Well, we don't know square roots yet, so let's hold off on that for right now.